Welcome to the app eDocs for Shopify. With this app, you are able to send documents to your customer via email or download. The app is currently in German only, sorry, and also sorry for my bad German accent, but I'll try to explain it to you. You install this app right from the Shopify App Store, and before you can start setting it up, you have to book a plan. Maybe the Pro plan, because it includes E-Rechnungen, so digital invoices, which are relevant in Germany and the EU. And after you have installed it, be sure to start by setting up some data about your company that are required for law-compliant invoices, also your taxes. And if you have done this, you can start creating your first document. We have several templates for invoices and several other things. You can create this invoice, this document, and you can change it and design it in a WYSIWYG layout editor. For example, of course, you want to add your own logo, which you can do very simply here without complicated template languages. You can, of course, change the layout. You can even, for example, add QR codes to your documents, and most importantly, also you can add digital invoices. In the PDF, only a small label is printed, but in fact, the XML document of this digital invoice is embedded into the PDF so that you can import it in ERPs or invoice and financial management systems. So when you're ready with your document, you can of course save it, or you can preview it first, and if everything suits your needs, you can save it. If you have saved it, you can go to your offers, Bestellungen in Germany, to your offers, and as usual, apply the app to one or more offers, and you can then print and download the PDF immediately. And you can send it to your customer or store it for yourself. If you have your first document, the next step would be to create an email. What does that mean? Let me just create one. And first of all, you have to say when will this email be sent, when the order is created or paid or delivered, or if you only want to send the email manually. You have to set this up. You want maybe to have a subject, and then so that you have a quick start, you can simply import the standard Shopify mail templates. As you can see here, they are written in a Liquid. We have the Liquid engine embedded also, so that you have a fast start. And in the preview, you can see that you have already well-looking email content. But the important thing is that you can attach documents, namely the documents you set up in the first step, for example, the invoice. And the thing is, these documents are attached to the email. So this email will be sent when the order is created, and the invoice document will be attached, which is the only thing that is law compliant in the EU. A link, as in the usual Shopify standard templates, is not law compliant, but we attach the actual document at the email. So you're ready. You should maybe save the email, and after you have done that, this email will be sent to your customer as soon as the order is placed. Of course, you also can send the email manually at any time you want. The last thing you can do is you can, this is optional, create downloads. What do we mean by this? Well, give the download a title, but the important thing is, where should this download be displayed? And you can select between the thank you page and the order status page. Let's select the order status, Bestellstatus in Germany, the order status here. And now you can, a little bit like in the emails, you can attach your documents here. So again, the invoice document. And now you have a download where your user can download the invoice. But there is one thing left to do. You have to add a block to the order status page. This goes as usual. In the template editor, you use the block. It's called eDocs link because it's a link block. And you add it to the page. And after you have added it, you move it to the place where you want it, for example, after the price, so here. And now your customer can download the invoice from the order status page, or if you do that, from the thank you page as well. You can, of course, customize all the labels, and then your checkout is ready for your customers with all the documents you want them to have, even digital invoices. So this is the eDocs app, which is a very complete solution, I think, for Shopify documents, for sending all the documents you can think of to your customers by email, automatically or manually by you or by download from the customer. That is the app eDocs for Shopify, and we hope you enjoy it, and thank you very much for your time and for watching this video. Bye bye.